come join us on Telegram. A link will be in the description. In this video, we're going to learn how to take two applications and group them together. In this example, it will be the BigKaka GCam mod version 6 and the Microsoft Photo app. This will allow this combination to work similar to the Microsoft Camera app. Okay, the first step will be to find the two apps that we are going to group together. So we will first select the GCam BigKaka app, and you will see that it is labeled as camera, but has this sort of funky icon, which is a penguin and a tiger and a yellowish, slightly orange background. Please note that this will change with version 7, removing the tiger from the background. I have highlighted the icon. You will next take your finger, press and hold the icon until the menu pops up. Now select the group option. Now scroll the list to the gallery. We are going to select the Microsoft Photo app. Next, select the app, then in the upper right hand of the window, select Done. A new window will pop up for the group. You will need to do two things. Name the group. So I'm naming the group BigKaka and then the version number. Next, you need to swap the applications so that the camera app loads on the right-hand screen and the Photos app loads on the left-hand screen. Then click OK, and you can close the All Apps tray. You can see on your home screen that you have a group pair with the camera and the Photos app. Go ahead and select that. You will see that the camera app opens on the right and that the Photos app opens on the left. When you're ready, snap a picture and you'll see the picture appear in your gallery on the left. No, it does not open full screen. You can tap it though to open it up. I hope you found this useful. If you did, give it a like, give us some comments. Share this thing around, subscribe, and finally, thanks for watching.